Let's make this delicious Dum Keema shepherd's pie with groceries from Uber Eats. Starting with marinate the mince. Crush ginger, garlic and add in. After add the yogurt, salt, garam masala, crushed chillies, chili powder, black pepper, ghee and ground flour. Then you slice the onions and fry until golden brown. Take out on a paper towel and air dry for 15 minutes until crispy. Add the fried onions and mix well. Give smoke of live charcoal for 5 minutes and then leave to marinate for around 2 hours. Heat up the oil in a wok and add the tomato puree and cook until darker in color. After add the mince and little bit butter. Cover and cook until mince is fully tender. Peel and chop the carrots and saute for a few minutes. After add the peas and saute. Remove from the heat and set aside. To prepare the mash, take the potatoes and peel off. Rinse thoroughly and cut in cubes. Boil the potatoes until tender. Start mashing when still hot. I'm using stand mixer here. Throw in knobs of butter and keep mashing. After add the generous amount of cheddar cheese, warm milk and egg yolks. Keep mixing until smooth. In the last, add the Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Meanwhile, before assembling, preheat the oven at 200 Celsius. Transfer the meat to a deep baking dish, add the layer of veggies, scoop mashed potatoes, sprinkle Parmesan cheese and bake for 20-25 minutes. Use the Uber Eats app to deliver all the groceries to your doorstep and make this delicious shepherd's pie. And it's ready to serve. Hope you enjoy it.